More and more venture businesses have started to operate in India. Investment from inside and outside the country has doubled compared with last year and now stands at nearly $5 billion. NHK World's Abhishek Dhulia reports from the front line of these new businesses.
I'm at one of the events where entrepreneurs are meeting investors, and such kind of events are getting very popular in India. In India's IT capital of Bangalore, more and more startups have been advertising their websites and apps.
And you can tap and you can vote on them. I have already voted. You can see the results. We launched the app for a soft launch in April this year. Our first big event where the app was used was a cultural festival at a college in Chennai.
The country reportedly has 4 startups appearing every day. The total number is said to be the world's 3rd largest.
I think long term there's a lot of opportunity, especially with the mobile internet user growth and just the overall growth of the Indian economy.
While India's business practices remain complex, e-commerce is able to use IT technologies to break through market barriers. Shopping and trading on the internet is one of the new businesses targeting the middle class, whose numbers have been increasing at the rate of close to 10% a year.
Now I can go for cosmetics, for clothing, for accessories, everything we can get online.
42-year-old Sandeep Agarwal launched a website and an app that helps people buy and sell used cars. Agarwal's website tries to address a common problem, the low level of trust between dealers and buyers. To win customer trust, he wants to play the role of an intermediary. The score on the website is an indication of the dealer's trustworthiness. It also reflects whether the dealers have carried out car inspections and provided warranties. In addition, it calculates a reasonable price for a vehicle based on previous data for the model and its year of manufacture. Agarwal founded the business only 1 year ago, but already its monthly sales have increased 500 times to $4 million. The staff has also increased from 1 person, the CEO himself, to 120.
India is a low trust market, so transaction between 2 unknown people is much more difficult. So what we have done is we actually have used a lot of technology and data science to build trust and transparency and pricing advantage.
One of the investors in Agarwal's business is Singapore-based Teruhide Sato. He sees great potential in the drastically changing Indian business platform. He is planning to pour nearly $30 million, half of his investment fund, into Indian ventures.
Indian infrastructure and services are relatively weak. But suddenly, mobile technologies such as smartphones have been introduced. Indians have adopted the new technology quickly. That's the interesting thing about business here.
The number of Indians using the internet and digital devices continue to grow rapidly, along with the country's huge population. Both factors are spurring entrepreneurs and investors to make efforts for a successful future. Abhishek Dhulia, NHK World, Bangalore, India.